is so big.
I know.
She's filling up most of the screen.
Mm-hmm. Come on, girl. Ooh, she's looking at us. She's looking at us. Hi. Hi.
It's almost like she's standing guard, right?
She's so big.
Wow.
Big girl.
Peter, is this one pregnant? This one in the back.
The one behind there.
Yeah, maybe.
But I think there is not a big baby behind there.
Uh-huh. There's a smaller one behind it.
Small one.
Yeah.
She might be. You see, the gestation period is 2 years.
Jesus. Can you imagine?
Oh, that's a small male.
Yeah, she's a small young male.
Yeah.
Which one?
You still with
The one in the back right here.
Oh.
Yeah.